So, welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. Today, I am heading over to the... Oh, man, the snow is melting. It's just not going quick enough. Chevy Tracker. Which, my plan this year is to actually get it finished. But, I must fix the fuel... what do you call it? The fuel pump wiring again. So I'm going to show you what's going on here with it. That's underneath my nice area here. So let me clear all that off. So if you look down there, last fall I cut off the pigtail that plugs into the fuel pump. I don't have it. I lost it. But I did go to a wrecker, and I did find another one on another beautiful tracker, and that made me so happy. I almost took the whole fuel pump, but I decided the housing that was on the other fuel pump was a lot worse shape than this one. So I just took the wiring harness, and I did take it all apart, clean it up, and it is good. But inside of the other one, which I love, it's in the garage somewhere, was two of these pins, the red one and the black one on this side. Well, I guess it's pink and black, and then black, were corroded, like inside. The green crusties, they say. So it was corroded pretty bad. So I had to, go on the look, grab another one. I think I could have got a new one off of Rock Auto, but getting that stuff shipped to me now here in Canada cost me an arm and a leg, and that wasn't gonna work. So I found this one, checked it out, should be good. We're gonna fix this up and get her put back in there, and hopefully after I plug it in, she'll work as good as new. Hopefully. So what do I got to do first? I have to strip some wires here. So, is that size? That's that size. There we go. And the red one is probably the same size. Yes, there we go. And the other two, the blue and the other black, are smaller. So they're going to take the smaller size. Yeah. At least that's what I believe. Come on. Hard to see. They're small. Even though I got lots of light, my eyes aren't what they used to be. And there we go. So, I do have some heat shrink that I'm going to put over each one of these. So when I do get them all attached again, I can heat shrink them down. So, get some pieces cut off here. There's one, there's two, there's three, and there's four. All right. So the little connectors I'm going to be using. Oops, sorry. So, what are these? There you go. Just little butt. What do they call these? Butt connector type things. So that's what I'll be using on this. So I'm going to put one each on this so far, and hopefully these will work out. They should work out. I did buy a better set of these crimpers, but you know what? It comes to that time where sometimes you just can't find stuff once in a while. I wish I Well, she crimped, so I guess it's not working too bad. Grab a couple of these. And there. So luckily these wires are pretty well color coded the same way. I did put the heat shrink on, and I can now get to crimping these on to this side. Let's do this one first. If I can get it on. Make sure it's the right one. There we go. And you know what? I'm going to find my other crimpers. So I did find my other crimpers, but it's still not the ones I like, because I bought a new pair. But I'm going to try these ones. I like these ones because they're front facing. You don't have to, you can just open and crimp. It looks like it worked. So, yeah, it looks like it worked. And let's see, black and yellow. This one. Well, you know what? You don't have to watch me do this whole thing, or I'll just edit it all out. Well, if I didn't edit that out, you just watched a very boring thing. And now I'm gonna edit all of that out. But heat shrink. Now I got some fire here. Or at least I thought I did. But this thing don't work. I thought it did. Oh, it works. Why don't I have a better torch out here? You know what? I'll take care of that at a later date. Let's just plug her in and see if I fixed what I had to fix. So there we go. We're all plugged in. I can come back and fix that. I'll leave you back here to see if the fuel pump starts. Okay, let's see. Got a key? I do have a key. Let's see if we can hear the fuel pump. Oh, all right. Was that the fuel pump? Maybe not. Well. Okay. Looks like we still have a problem. Houston, we've got a problem. All right, let's see if the little light turns on. Ouch. Be helpful if I had my key ready. Did anything happen? I don't know. Does anything get power here? I don't want to touch that. So, I honestly don't know what's going on here. So, maybe I'm not getting any power. I can't tell if there was a light that came on or not. So, looks like there wasn't. Well, it looks like I got a bigger problem here. Oh, great. I don't know where to begin right now. It's still winter, so I'm not going to begin anywhere. This, I guess, will carry on come more spring when it's warmer. So, great. More stuff to figure out. Thanks for watching.